Bob, it's your time to turn and burn, brother. Got ourselves a little xforce. Let's see, straight six. Bob, what was going on? There it is. What was going on was a little ground here on the cap. Got a little hot. The cap leaked. As you can see, these connectors, they didn't have any solder in them. They weren't soldered. I think it was struggling to pull the current across the lead of the cap because these got really hot. I mean, this got hot, bud. So I went in, I pulled this bad cap out, replaced it with an exact replacement part. We're starting to keep all these parts on hand now. And went in, did other little couple tweaks to it. The other thing you said was that the meter on the front was always at full bore from the instant you turned it on. Fix that. And this little LED circuit, what it works off of is it senses a little bit of the ACRF back here on the pickup. And that translates to outgoing signal on the LED modulation lights in the front. Well, when it's leaking AC across and blowing a cap up like that, there's AC running through the whole circuit, which makes these lights go bling. But you're fully functional. We did your input and your output tune, and I'm going to slap the tin on it. Oh yeah, I went ahead and I plugged up these little side vent holes that shouldn't have been there. And the other thing I did, Bob, was I added a piece of phenolic down here to block the 1-inch hole that's at the back of the cabinet. So now all the air has to exhaust out across the heatsink. And hopefully this thing will hold together a little bit better for you. So let me slap the tin on it, and we'll get to working with the bird meters. Okay. So, continue on. Click this puppy on. Let the fan get up to speed. 1,000 watt in PEP, 1,000 watt in average, 5 watt slug and reverse, 5 watt slug and reverse between radio and amplifier. Of course, as always, going into the bird 10,000 watt dummy load. So, we'll click the amp off. We're going to show you what we're putting into it for drive with the 955. Audio, right at about 80 to 100 peak watts. Turn the amp on, right down. And lay it in a corner, of course. Hard over in the corner. Look at your output tune. Here's your input tune. Beautiful, perfectly beautiful. And Bob, I'm going to click this up to 2x. So 2 times in peak power. So that's reading out like a 2,000 watt slug. Remember, the 50 is always there. Between the 40 and the 60 is the 1,000 watt marker. BBI. BBI. Pretty straightforward, Bob. You're all fixed up. Sideband delay's working. Preamp's working. Everything's 10/8 and straight, brother. Good input tune, good output tune, and I did put the decal on it per your request. Bob, I appreciate you setting this up and giving me an opportunity to take a quick look at it for you. We got you squared away. I will put it in a box and it'll be off to you tomorrow. My name is BBI, and without a shadow of a doubt, I am the biggest mud duck in Idaho. Come check us out, www.bbiamps.com. I'll see ya. Click, click, bum, bum.